What's up, y'all? Erica here from High 49RC. Today we're outside. Behind me here we've got the crawler course, and it's looking a little bit ratty. So today, I'm sure I mentioned this in a couple other videos, but we're tearing everything out. Everything's going, and then what I'm going to have you guys do is leave me comments on these videos and on Instagram of what you want me to put back. So everything's going, all the rocks, all the vines. The only thing that's not going is the stuff up in the trees there. Yeah, I'm gonna just basically start a time lapse for you. Sorry about that truck. I'm just gonna start a time lapse for you guys, and I'm gonna work until lunchtime. It's currently Friday. It's about 8:30, so let's get started. Alright, there you go, guys. About, what was that, probably 3.5 hours later, the whole course is cleaned out. I did leave large rocks like this one here and those two down there just because it's like, what the heck is the point to move these rocks from here all the way up there just to move them back if you guys want them back here? So it's like, whatever, I'm just gonna leave them, and then if you guys want me to move them, I can move them, no big deal. But look at all these snails too, by the way. Look at those guys. Random side note, I've found so many snails over here. It's actually unreal. I didn't get to cleaning up that section, but that'll come when I do the top with all the vines and stuff. Like I said, all this tree stuff is staying, just because that's kind of a pain to take down, and like, why would I? Because it's rather new. Over here, we got rid of, let's see, lots of, actually not much here. There's one obstacle there. Got rid of the big pile of log things. Didn't find as many bugs as I thought that I would find in there, but whatever. Over here was the big job, obviously, as you guys saw. There's like a ramp thing up to a platform that I ripped out, which is all here along with the logs. I can't put any of this in the trash yet, or in the green waste yet, just because it's already full with other stuff. So I'll do that next week when the green waste gets emptied. And then over here, as you guys know, there was a massive rock pile. Let me come over here so you guys can get a better look at it. But over here, as you guys know, there was a giant rock pile right in this vicinity. Lots of big rocks, so I just threw them in this trench and thought, well, alright, whatever, I'm just going to leave them because, again, doesn't make any sense to move them up here. And this is all the rock that I moved in concrete. This is my concrete pile, my rock pile, my river rock pile, and I got bricks back here, which bricks are good filler material for going underneath like the actual real rocks and stuff. And same with the concrete, but the concrete can make cool obstacles in and of itself because it's really grippy, and they're not they're irregular shaped like rocks rather than just square like bricks. But yeah, that's pretty much what happened. I mean, tomorrow, so that was one day so far, and I guess I'll publish this today. That was one day. Tomorrow is gonna be tearing out all the vines from the top, tomorrow and Sunday. So hopefully I can get my dad to help me with that. My dad's at work right now, so he couldn't help me with this, but I got it done. So whatever. Then as for other stuff, got all my bricks I can use for building like a wall or something, some like pots for decoration, like a rope bridge, got some retaining wall blocks back here, deck footings, another bridge here that my dad made, those are like planter box like things that you can put around a tree. Got a couple of those, some wood, a couple more bridges, some more pavers, large brick things, and a few more pavers and deck footings over here. So that's pretty much what I got. So thank you all for watching. Tune in probably tomorrow or Sunday for the whole vine ripping out time lapse, and that should be well, fun but not fun, you know what I mean. So enough of me. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you think of this. Don't put any suggestions of what you guys want to see just yet. I'm going to do like a whole video of like all the supplies that you guys have to choose from and all that sort of stuff once I'm done getting it all prepped. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and follow my Instagram, highway49_RC, and I'll see you next time.